Hello friends. Welcome to Tech Community. Do you know the difference between $symbol and $symbol when we join a test or numbers in Excel? Here we have first name and last name. I need to join first and last name in the full name cell. In the full name cell, type equal to, then select first name, then type, and then select last name. If we need a space between first name and last name, edit formula and add space between two quotes, then add $symbol. Secondly, I need first and last name with Gmail address, but Gmail address is only in one column. So here if we use $symbol, Gmail address will come multiple times. Then we use a $symbol like this between cell number. Please support our community to improve our skills in Excel. Thank you.